Hello everyone, hope everybody had a great summer as well as keeping yourself safe at your respective locations. I had a great one too at my side. Coming back to our Speaker Sunday series, I already know some of you really like this series and asked me a couple of times when am I preparing the content and coming up with the next video. So I just thought about an idea and I'm making this series collaborative. So rather than only me speaking through the Speaker Sunday series, I would like to have more participation from your side as well. So if you are interested in this Speaker Sunday series and would like to be a part of it and would like to talk about any topic or the area you are interested in, you can simply do it through my website. You just have to book an appointment and we will discuss it further. Having said that, we have our very first speaker as a part of this Speaker Sunday series, Ketki Vaidya. She is a software engineer at Oracle and along with her day-to-day job, she likes to work on the personal branding. So she tries to keep that interest going on as well and gains knowledge and would like to share that knowledge with all of us. So Ketki, welcome. Very happy to have you as my first speaker on the Speaker Sunday series, and all screen is yours now.
Hello there, I am Ketki Vaidya and today we are going to talk about personal branding. Now I'm sure that personal branding as a term must have found its way to your ears or thoughts for a long time now. However, what I'm not sure of is whether you are convinced of this idea yet. And that's fair to say because when you search for personal branding on the internet, there are so many contradicting views around it that it becomes very difficult to understand whether personal branding is actually something that's meant for you and whether it can transform what you're trying to achieve in your career. And so in this video, I'm going to break down the what and why of personal branding for you. So before we begin, a little about myself. I began my career as a software developer with Oracle India 3 years ago. And these 3 years of professional experience have shown me the importance of personal branding. It has shown me how personal branding can make or break someone's career and how it can be the sole reason that someone gets an opportunity to showcase their potential while thousands of others are still struggling to prove their worth. And whatever I'm going to share with you today is based on the experience of my own personal branding journey and what I have learned from my mistakes along the way. That brings us to the most important question of what exactly is personal branding. Let me tell you that personal branding is not something new. It has been there since ages. In the pre-internet days, for instance, people still practice personal branding. The way they did it was that they would meet someone and they would hand over their business card. Now this is not a business card, but this is just to show you the limited space that they got to define who they were. And that's the reason that their personal brand was confined to that one tag which their job role gave them. That was the only value that they could add to others' lives. But today, for anyone who wants to get started on their personal branding journey, things are very easy. And that is because of the plethora of online platforms that are available and easily accessible to each one of us. So in simple terms, personal branding is the conscious effort on your part to communicate and present your value to the world. This not only helps you to elevate your credibility, but it also helps you to influence your public perception and make a bigger impact on the world. Now that we have talked about what is personal branding, it is equally important to understand what it is not. A lot of people think that personal branding is only meant for entrepreneurs, and that's the biggest lie that anyone can ever tell you, because we as human beings, we all want to be heard, we want to share our stories, and we all want to use our strengths and abilities to help elevate the lives of people around us. And personal branding is our way of doing it. So I can assure you that everyone watching this video, personal branding is definitely meant for you. Another misconception that people have around personal branding is that personal branding is confined to your professional accomplishments. But that's not true. Your work is just one part of your life. And even if you're excelling at your job or trying to excel at your job, that's just one part of your life. Your definition, the definition of you, goes beyond your work to define your own set of ideas, beliefs, what you want to stand for, and then your accomplishments and your abilities. And personal branding is your way of defining what you want to stand for, what the people around you should recognize you for. And that is what personal branding is. So now we understand what it is and what it is not. The next aspect is whether you should invest your time in personal branding. So now we look at a few benefits of personal branding so that you'll be convinced of the fact that you should begin your personal branding journey right now. The first reason is that personal branding is a great way to showcase your skills and knowledge about a particular area or field. And that's the reason that it will help you to establish your credibility, and this is going to help you stand out amongst your competition. Needless to say that this will lead you to better opportunities which you can use to showcase your potential, and that is going to give you a big boost in your career, in all the accomplishments in your career for sure. With greater opportunities, you are also going to attract like-minded people in your network, because we all love to network today and it's an essential skill of the 21st century. But when we showcase our story, when we make it clear to people what we stand for, we attract like-minded people to our network, and these people then provide us all the motivation that we need to keep progressing in our career, to keep accomplishing the next milestone in our career. So it's very important that your network is going to expand and it's going to be filled with the people who are going to respect you for your ideas and are going to believe in them as well. So when you are honest and authentic with whatever you're sharing with your network, with whatever you're sharing with your community, and when everything that you're doing is done with the sole intention of helping people around you, it's done with the intention of adding value to others' lives, then people are going to be very comfortable when they approach you and they're going to trust you more. So this is going to inculcate trust in your professional and personal relationships. So in this video, the benefits that we looked at, these are just a few of the million benefits that you can get with personal branding, but I would say that you should try it to witness its power, to witness how personal branding can transform your career and elevate your life as well. And if you would want to get started on your personal branding journey, I would love to be a part of it. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll help you with the tools and techniques that are there to get started on your personal branding journey and the mistakes that you should avoid. Thank you so much for watching this video. I loved talking to you all.
Thank you so much, Ketki, for sharing your knowledge on personal branding. Hope whoever found it interesting will reach out to you and ask more questions around personal branding, or if they need any help, they'll definitely reach out to you. All the audience out there, I'm looking for more speakers on the Speaker Sunday series. So if you are interested and would like to talk about any topic or the area you are interested in, just book an appointment today and we will take it forward from there. So thank you so much, and as I always say, until we meet, happy leading. Let's lead together. Stay safe. Bye for now.